There are many different engines on Sir Topham Hatt's railway. And there are many different sounds. Let's listen to some of them. Thomas is a steam engine. When he puffs along, he sounds very different from Mavis, who is a diesel engine. Can you hear the difference? Thomas and Mavis. When Thomas collects coal from the coal yard, the coal sounds very different from the gravel Mavis collects from the quarry. The coal, the gravel. When Thomas chuffs happily across the stone bridge, he sounds very different to Mavis when she trundles over the steel bridge. The stone bridge, the steel bridge. Finally, when Thomas arrives at Brendam Docks, he applies his brakes. Thomas's brakes sound like this. Whereas Mavis's brakes sound like this. Thomas and Mavis. On the island of Sodor, there are always so many different jobs to do, and also many different sounds to hear.